Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the rest mode settings on your PS4 console. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Power Save Settings. Now select Set Features Available in Rest Mode. You can now customize how the rest mode on your PS4 works. You can choose how long to supply power to your USB ports for charging, whether your console should stay connected to the internet for downloading updates, as well as other options. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.